Hi, so I'm Kelli Grinter. I am the Chief Operating Officer here at MTD Training. I oversee the day-to-day operations. I'm in control of the direction and growth of the business. We're a leadership and management training provider. Sometimes it's a one-day program, sometimes it's a 2-year program spanning hundreds of managers or leaders. We operate all across the UK, in Europe and internationally, but our head office is here in Coventry. We're quite a small company, so around 25, 26 employees. Data is at the heart of everything we do here at MTD Training. 5-6 years ago, we didn't know how to access it. It was spread out across lots of different sources, so literal handwritten notes, spreadsheets. These days, with multiple departments, multiple revenue streams, we're in kind of growth mode. So really, we've been really focused on how inquiries come to us and what people are needing out there in the industry. It's really important that we started to gather that data of what we were doing, the metrics involved. So Salesforce is our hub, really. It's the one true voice of everything that we do in our business. It captures every single lead, every inquiry, every opportunity. So as you can imagine, it's really important that we utilise that information in the best way. So Salesforce is fantastic, but those reports can sometimes be a little bit limiting. So one tiny filter out and you've missed out a whole set of data that you weren't aware of. It was usually only accessible by the senior team members in a business. You know, you could ask the same question to 3 people and they'd all give you a different answer depending on the day. It wasn't accurate. So rather than having all these conversations and people asking things really piecemeal, we wanted to have something as a central place where people could see this information for themselves. All of our teams really use the Geckoboard, and so we use it for commercial, we use it for apprenticeships, and we use it for marketing. The senior leadership team obviously use it as an overall as well. So in terms of the finance, really, I guess, of the business and revenue data. It's fabulous that when you're using these dashboards, you can use a multitude of different ranges to kind of connect your data. And we like to be able to pull in the information from Google Sheets that Salesforce can't. People are updating these anyway, and it's live. You know, every time someone makes a change, it shows up straight away, which I find fantastic. Google Analytics, you can see in real time, people are on our website looking at our open courses, for example, and then 5 minutes later, we've got an influx of bookings. When you know what people are doing, you can amplify that and you can add more power to it. I think we have around 5 dashboards that concentrate on different elements of the business. So business development, marketing, apprenticeships, commercial sales. And ultimately, it means that anybody within the company can see all of that information. So not just how their area is doing, but also how the other areas are doing. Very quick glances at the dashboards. They're able to see what areas are doing well, what areas aren't, what needs a bit more attention and love. We have the dashboards where we've got the pictures up of the sales team, but we have pretend photos of celebrities that match their name, and we have a bit of a laugh. So it's not just about data, it's about conversations, it's about people interacting with each other that may not usually on a daily basis. I think if it went away tomorrow, it would be hard because you wouldn't have the data there, but more than anything, I think it would maybe affect the culture a little bit and stop those conversations from happening, talking about the different areas and what's going on and how they can help. It really brings out a lot of fun and priority and focus in people, but also, you know, a lot of passion, and that really comes out in the team, and I think Geckoboard's helped us do that.